Well, after our sail along the south coast of Turkey and then our camper van trip towards Cappadocia, we are back on the boat and it's time to do some boat jobs, start organizing, cleaning and stuff. We didn't much like the vacuum cleaner we had, so I can spoil that that is one of these, and the other one, we'll have to see. What's it gonna be? I think we'll have the girls unwrap them. If they can decide who's gonna unwrap which one. Can you decide who's gonna do which one?
We're going to do it same.
Same?
We're going to
both
do
together?
this one together and this one together.
Alright then. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Watch, don't cut any fingers off. Oh, I can start to see something.
I also got
What is that? Huh? What?
It's for me.
Yeah?
What is it?
Oh, it's another GoPro gadget. Of is it stiekem for daddy? Or is it for all of us? Nice. Open. Oh. It's the Telesin dome port. Yeah. Daar is die.
Get this GoPro in here.
Do you know how it works, Lily?
No.
No? You put the GoPro in there and you stick this in the water and then you can look underwater and above the water at the same time. That's cool, right? And then you get pictures like this. Are we ready for this?
We're ready.
What are we doing again?
We're trekking that way, over
Yeah.
that mountain.
Over those mountains, alright, nice.
From the middle of nowhere here.
Yeah,
And we're off to Cash, fingers crossed.
amazing. That should be
Heaven
good.
only knows how we're going to get...
So in this episode we have our grandparents visiting, but before that I went on a 3-day trek along the south coast of Turkey towards Kaş. It was an amazing experience, so here are just a few impressions of that weekend.
It's the same old sound in the same old town. I wake up early with a sigh. The morning breaks to leave behind the night I need to get me by. Safe and lonely. It's the same old sound for days to come. I close the blinds and carry on.
What?
Woohoo! See ya!
I got this.
Yeah, come. It's running. Perfect. Today we are picking up Opa and Oma. We're waiting on the side of the road. They should be here right now, to be honest. Should be a fun-filled week. First time for them to see the boat. Yeah. Huh? 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 Opa! Hallo. Hi, hi. Iedereen tegelijk?
Zullen we gauw de koffers pakken?
Hallo.
Ja.
Help jij ze maar gaan.
Ja. Hallo. Hi, hi. Je bent er. Ja. Nee, klopt. Hij kan beter tegen het paaltje.
Welk paaltje?
Daar, een meterpaaltje. Kijk, oma is aan boord.
Ik ga niet met deze plons in, hè?
Nee, liever niet.
Ja, meisje.
Deze vasthouden, hij is heel erg sterk.
Ja.
Ben je er nooit in het water gevallen?
Lily is één keer in het water gevallen, maar ze is al...
To see? You're gonna show everything? Goed zo.
Nee, dit is de
Kijk.
eerste
Wat een gezellig huis.
Gezellig.
meteen naar een slaapkamer.
Wat enig. Er ligt nog iets op het bed. Wat is
Zullen
het
wij
weer
laten
knus,
zien als
hè?
dat weg is? Nee, nu.
Ik wil wel een jaar blijven.
Dat is
Een
lang.
jaar blijven?
Ja,
Een heel jaar?
ja.
Het eerste blij.
Pas op wat je zegt hoor, anders cancelen we dat ticket.
Wat enig zeg. Ja,
Hm?
Je mag mijn badkamer wel zien.
waar is die?
Dit is onze woonkamer.
Lekker?
Zo, oké.
Is het brood?
Kijk eens.
Moet er wat op
Heerlijk.
of eet je het zo?
Nou, je kan het zo even.
Destination reached.
Oh, het is iets droogs. Heb je die stickers al?
Nee, ik was het ook weer helemaal vergeten. Het was zo grappig.
Nieuw
Al die
radio.
boeken waren dus op. En mijn zus die zei, ik
Ketchup.
heb alle stickers nog gehad. Had
Craft.
uiteindelijk iemand gevonden die deed
Toiletmotor.
heel bijzonder.
Cheese.
Ze zegt, ja, ik heb er nog één liggen hoor. Die mag je wel
Recognize any of the stuff?
Bedankt. Ze geeft
We
me
love
door
it.
Dat ik
It's amazing,
geld
especially
over kan
this
maken.
for Sinterklaas.
Daar reageerde ze maar niet op. En dan 3 dagen later, ja, wat is nou je adres?
En licorice.
Hoezo waar? Ik denk, nou ja, zou ik het toch maar zeggen. Ik had toch maar het adres opgegeven. En ik denk,
We're not done
dat
yet.
heeft dan mijn zus, denk ik.
Much more edible stuff.
Mijn moeder.
Ja, dat
Nou,
is
Super.
je moeder wilde jou een cadeautje geven nog voor je verjaardag.
Oh.
Pepermunt.
En dat is dat bakje
Yep.
Ik zie pepermunt.
voor de airfryer.
Yes.
Oh.
Pepermunt.
Dat is voor de moeder. En ik gezegd,
Lekker,
ja,
lekker. Ja.
Dus joh, dan vraag je toch een Elvira, dat is een
Chocolate coins. And more stuff that's perfect for Sinterklaas. 5th of December in Holland. More chocolate.
snuitjes,
Hier, schuimpjes.
kikkers en muizen.
Yes, frogs and mice. Marsepein. And more.
Nice.
And more.
En mokken.
And more. Yes, and licorice. And more licorice. It's amazing.
En nog
And what?
daar drobballen.
Here? Here? Oh yeah.
Drobballen.
Oh yeah. More licorice balls.
Pepermuntballen. Pepermuntballen.
And peppermint balls. Yeah. And here more peppermint. That's crazy. No idea how that plane still took off this morning.
knutselding.
Oh. Okay, so now it's time to store everything away. So I guess I'll stand up and we open it up.
Hij kan zo kletsen voor dat ding. Geweldig.
Kind of full already. Yeah, we can fit some more in.
Oh, daar
Right?
kan er half bij. Daar kan er half
Ja.
bij. Ja.
Yeah, why not? Okay.
Succes.
Yeah.
Doe maar.
Anyway, we'll fill it up.
Gezellig.
So just as we thought we've seen it all, Oma pulls out her previous phone and hands it over to Josja. Look at that.
Zo,
Josja's getting spoiled. Moppidops.
Oké.
Oh.
Nu ook eerst een pincode
Dat is
of
cool,
iets
hè?
anders doen. Een pincode, een patroon of een wachtwoord.
ja, hij is wel lekker.
So maybe we'll see some more Josja's World videos soon. Could be, because she can start recording. So, well, we've had the parents over for the week now. It's already been a few days. But we've done some nice things. We took them out on the boat for a day. A bit busy, so I don't think I filmed much, but maybe a little bit. And we've been working on the curtains in the salon on the boat. It really had to be done. Of course, we just enjoyed spending time together. And the World Cup has just started. because regular viewers to the channel will have seen all the World Cup stadium videos especially. Might still come out with another one, or I've already done that by now, we'll see. Anyway, today we're off on a rental car. When it arrives towards Manavgat, look at some canyons, rivers, picnic areas, nature scenes, should be amazing. Come along, we'll show you. And there she is, we signed the forms. Hyundai Accent is ours for the day. Let's go. Hello Lily. Hi. Good, we made it to the first stop, the Ametler Canyon. Yeah, somewhere in the middle of the hills / mountains. Some thunder cells still around us. We can hear some thunder sometimes. But we got some sunshine too now. And some showers on the way. That's nice. Smells so fresh. Walking, walking, walking.
Ja, gaat zo naar het paard. Ja? Ja, loop maar zo langs de zijkant een beetje, joh. Dat is niet anders.
Not afraid of some action.
Pas op, pas op.
Super.
Wanneer zouden ze dit asfalteren?
Niet vandaag of morgen. Where should we go?
Ja, waar gaan we heen?
We don't know, hè?
To the road.
Yeah, to the
Tjoh,
Canyon.
het is mooi, maar...
What do you think? What do you want to do here? What? Oh, nice. Do you see the canyon? The canyon
Ik
is
zie
nice,
daar
huh?
beneden ook iets blauws.
But
en
it's
blauw
dirty
wit.
water. It's really light brownish water. The water, I think because of the showers recently, water
dacht
isn't
dat
that
we
clean and it's not that much water. Yeah, and this is it really, the Akseki Canyon. Just reached the viewpoints from the rocks. You have to look the other way though. Ah, it's nice. On Google Maps you see that there's some rafting stations here, so apparently they do that through this canyon. That's gotta be exciting. Might be one to keep in mind, but I bet the water now is bloody cold. Maybe something for midsummer. Nice spot. Klimmen maar. That was it. It's too tough for the family. But the views are nice. We'll go to the next spot.
Josja, wil jij de ketchup eens aangeven?
Naar het vies te kijken.
Josja filmen. Thank you.
Samen met eten kan je lekker gaan spelen op de grond.
Pas maar op. Zo.
And here we are, we made it to Oymapinar lake, this reservoir. Huge dam just over there and the lake is here. We thought it was impressive enough to show our parents as well, because of course we already filmed this a few episodes ago. So yeah, amazing. Explore a little bit more. Lunch was really good actually. Good price as well, super friendly family. Highly recommend that place if you're ever around here. A day out on the water, just for the fun of it.
Zo.
Yeah, so we're out for a day on the water now with the family, so they could see the full sail, feel what sailing is like on this boat. Because at least today there was some wind. 7 to 16 knots, 7 gusting 16. We ended up with, well, we had 8 to 9 for a bit, dropped down to 6, 7 now. Forward speed max we saw 3.5, with the boat still dirty. We'll hope to lift it out soon. Anyway, it's amazing to be out on the water. And yeah, in the afternoon we expect some showers to develop. Could be thundery even as well, so keeping a close eye on the weather. And yeah, cumulus are building a little bit over to the side, but so far it's fine. And we're very close to the marina, so we can pop back in anytime. Way before anything will approach, of course. So that's it. It's beautiful out there though. Yeah, Lily got up way too early today. So she never does it, but what is it, 9, 10 in the morning? She's gone for another nap. That never happens during the day. Amazing. I guess the sea has a calming motion. Do you see that, Josja? Lily's sleeping. That never happens, right? Funny, yeah?
Uh-huh.